Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm SKYBELLE of SKYBELLE Beauty. So I've already started off with one eye and I'm just going in to the other eye. This is my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk. I depotted it for easy access and use, and I'm applying that all over my eyelids to serve as a base for our lid color. Next, I'll be going into my Sooprocosmetics Vivid Pop Matte Pigment using my Costa Scents blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Guys, this stuff is really pigmented. I really like it a lot. I'm just going to put that all the way up to my crease. Now I'm switching to a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just taking a matte skin tone shade and I'm using that to set my crease area because we want to go into another color and we need a surface to blend it nicely on. So I'm using my Sigma E38 blending brush and I'm just packing that color lightly and I'm blending it into my crease area to give us some depth and definition. I'm switching to my Sigma E40 blending brush and I'm picking the same shade, just a tiny little bit of it, and I'm blending that in my crease to diffuse the color we just applied. Now I'm taking my Morphe E38 brush, dipping into the first shade we applied in our crease, and I'm just going to concentrate that color in my inner corner to serve as a base for the glitter we're applying. So I'm using the NYX glitter glue, just taking a little bit on the back of my palm. I'm going to use the same brush and tap that into my inner corner. Using the EA Beauty glitter in the shade Lydia, taking a tiny little bit, I'll tap off the excess and press that onto my inner corner to open up the eyes. I'm using my Maybelline Kajal. This is a Colossal Kajal, and I'm just going to run that in my waterline. Taking my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm using that warm brown shade, and I'm just going to use that to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm switching to the Morphe E36 brush, taking that same hot pink shade we use in the lid, and I'm going to run that across my lower lash line. Applying my mascara, the Maybelline Colossal Volum Express mascara. Now I'm going to apply my lash glue, and whilst it's drying, we're moving on to the face. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Guys, I love this foundation. Can't believe this is my very first bottle. I know, it's amazing. I'm just going to use my Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm going to apply that all over my skin and blend it out nicely. Moving on, I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer and I'm just going to use that to highlight my face, under the eyes, bridge of the nose, the chin, my forehead, or should I say 5 head. Taking my beauty blender, guys, I stopped using a damp beauty blender because I find that it helps with placement and it gives me more coverage, so you should try it out sometime. On, I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter powder in the shade Banana. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Like, I love the color that this has. It's not too yellow, and at the same time it's not stark white. It's just perfect. I'm taking my black Opal stick foundation and the same brush I used to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to chisel out my chin and contour. I'm doing this with a very light hand, guys. You don't want to overdo the contour. I'm going to snatch that nose. Make it appear slimmer than it actually is. And we're going to tackle the 5 head. If only my wig would allow me be great and not slide off my head. Moving on, I'm taking my Sleek Face Form Contour palette and I'm going in with that dark shade. It's a matte brown and it's perfect. It's not too light, it's not too dark, just perfect. And another appearance from Sleek. I'm using their their blush trio, and I'm taking that light pink shade. Oh wow, so gorgeous. Can you guys see that? Now I'm setting the rest of my face whilst dusting off the excess powder from our baking, and I'm using my Zaron face powder. I'm switching to a bigger buffing brush and I'm just going to blend and buff the skin for a flawless appearance. Now taking my Hushbeautyng Lip Palette, I am going in with that wine shade to outline my lips for the nude color we're going to use on the center of the lip. So I'm going to use that nude color and I'm just going to apply that in the center of my lips and blend it out with a blending brush. Now I'm going in to my Colourpop lip gloss. This one is Neat Freak, is the shade X Colourpop one, and smack. Here is the completed look, guys. I love it so much. It looks so gorgeous. This is so perfect for Valentine's Day or night, anyone you like. It's simple, it's easy, and it's quick. You can do this in 10 minutes or less. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.